Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. Parrot ANAFI released. We're going to have that coming right up. Parrot took a page out of DJI's playbook today and made a drone announcement in New York City. The drone that they announced is called the ANAFI. The ANAFI is feature-packed, and so without any further ado, we're going to jump right into the slides here so we can go over all this information with you. The first slide, ANAFI is a new generation of drone, the ideal go-to solution to film stunning high-quality videos and take outstanding photos, capturing the best moments of everyday life. The flying 4K HDR camera boasts exclusive video and photo shooting capabilities thanks to its 180-degree tilt gimbal and up to 2.8 times lossless zoom. Its ultra-compact foldable form means you can take Parrot drone with you anywhere, anytime. Quiet and resistant to extreme weather conditions, ANAFI has a 25-minute flight time with advanced performances. Thanks to ANAFI's embedded artificial intelligence, take advantage of its automated flight modes to capture spectacular shots. And it retails for $699, and the item is expected to be in stock on 7/2/2018. We're going to go ahead and move to the next slide. And you can see it has a picture of the 180-degree tilting camera, and it says, ANAFI is the first drone to feature a 180-degree tilt gimbal, capturing unprecedented shots from imitable angles up to 2.8 lossless zoom to visualize details clearly, and 3-axis image stabilization to shoot ultra-stable videos and photos. Then we'll go to the next slide. It has 4K HDR, 21 megapixels, 180-degree tilt gimbal, 3-axis image stabilization, and 2.8 lossless zoom. The next slide, snap spectacular 4K HDR videos and 21 megapixel photos. The 4K cinema provides professional quality videos as it uses the 17:9 video format. HDR enhances all visible details by minimizing excessive bright lights and very dark shadows in your footage. ANAFI's camera features a wide-angle spherical lenses. The optics of the lens were engineered to reduce lens flare and chromatic aberrations in all situations, resulting in sublime images. The next slide. Shoot every moment in high quality. 1/2.4 inch 21 megapixel CMOS Sony sensor, wide angle f/2.4 ASPH lens, 35 millimeter focal length equivalent, 23 to 69 millimeter photo, 26 to 78 millimeter video, compatible with Adobe DNG/RAW. Next slide. Capture more emotions thanks to the 2.8 lossless zoom. ANAFI's innovative zoom technology enables up to 2.8 lossless digital zoom in full HD, 1,4x in 4K, equivalent to optical zoom. Lossless zoom allows you to get closer without any resolution loss. Change the focal length to get close to the action while remaining at a safe distance. And the next slide, 25 minutes flight time, smart drones and CineShots, 50 kilometers per hour wind resistance, which translates to 31 miles per hour, and super quiet flights. Experience powerful flight performances. With ANAFI's new transmission system, each drone leg contains a dual band antenna, 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz, improving HD streaming and the piloting experience up to 2.5 miles away. The aerodynamics of ANAFI were optimized, resulting in one of the quietest drones of its category. And then the next slide, enjoy safe flights. Geofence lets you define your very own virtual perimeter that stops ANAFI from flying out of the designated area. The smart return to home feature means if the drone ever loses connection or if the battery life is low, it will automatically come back to its starting point. With Find My Drone, should you lose sight of your drone, you can easily make it beep at the tap of a button or find it on the map to locate and retrieve it. Then we'll come up to the next slide. This is what actually comes in the box. 1 ANAFI drone, 1 Parrot Sky Controller 3, 1 carry case, 16 gigabyte micro SD card, 1 USB/A to USB-C cable, 8 additional propeller blades, and 1 mounting tool. And then the next slide are all the detailed specifications. What are my thoughts? My thoughts are, here's several of them. If you look at the pictures of it, I like how high the ANAFI sits up. It sits up very high off the ground. The gimbal is unique. I've never seen anything like that, and to be able to capture some of these shots is going to be fantastic. The runtime is great. 25 minutes of runtime. You can't ask for more than that. That's absolutely fantastic. One of the other things I really like about it is it's ultra portable. And if you look at the case that it comes in and how thin it is, that's fantastic. It's going to mean you're going to have the ability to take this just about anywhere. And then the lossless zoom in that's a very unique feature. That's going to be fantastic. And with a 21 megapixel camera and a Sony sensor, I think it's going to be an excellent photography, videography drone. Absolutely, no questions asked. One of the only things that I don't see here is it doesn't have obstacle avoidance in any way, shape, or form. Nothing is mentioned about that. And to me, that's a concern. You know, is it a deal breaker? No, it's not a deal breaker, but a lot of people who are new to drones, that's a feature that they would need, and that's a feature that a lot of people are dependent upon. So that's something to take into consideration. One of the things that I do really like about this is its price point. It's at $699. That's an excellent price point. Do I think Parrot's going to do well with this? Yes, I do. I think they're going to do very well with this. Having a premiere in New York City, getting this out in front of everybody, I think that was a great idea that they did that. And obviously they beat both Autel and DJI to the punch with getting a drone out before both of them did, notwithstanding the Mavic Air earlier this year. So I have a question of the day. My question of the day is this. Do you think that obstacle avoidance would be a deal breaker for you in getting this drone? Answer in the comment section below and let me know why. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter account where I do post daily updates there, and also Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and happy flying.